Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. My name is Jyoti Singh and I am your EVS teacher. Today I will teach you Lesson 8 Festivals and Celebrations. Do you know, children, what is festivals? A festival is a gathering of people to celebrate something. India is a country of many people having different customs and different religions. But we Indians all live together in families and all the families live together in a society. Living together in a society encourages families to celebrate religious and national festivals together. We celebrate many festivals. We enjoy, pray, and have fun on festivals. There are two types of festivals: national festivals, religious festivals. Let us discuss about national festivals. National festivals. Festivals which the people of a nation celebrate to recall an important event of the past are called national festivals. We celebrate national festivals all over the country. Some of them are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day on 15th August. 15th August every year. Independence Day on 15 August every year. Republic Day. Republic Day on 26th January. 26th January every year. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. 2nd October every year. Okay? Now, let us take a look at our national festivals in details. Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15 August every year. India became independent on this day. It is one of the most important days in Indian history. A long time ago, India was ruled by the British. For many years, our freedom fighters fought hard and we became independent on 15 August 1947. Every year on this day, we remember all our freedom fighters who gave their life for the nation. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. He makes the speech and asks all of us to salute the country by saying Jai Hind. Flags are hoisted across the country in all the cities, towns, villages, and schools. Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January every year. India became republic on 26th January 1950. A grand parade is held at Rajpath in Delhi. School children, folk dancers from different parts of country participate in the parade. Lots of People come to see this colorful parade. The President of India hosts the national flag. We salute the national flag. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It marks the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. India got freedom under the leadership of Gandhi ji. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. A prayer meeting is held at Gandhiji Samadhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. Gandhiji is known as Father of Nation. Children love to call him Bapu. Gandhiji believed in peace and non-violence. Now we will learn about religious festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated by different people of different religions in India. Common religious festivals are Holi, Diwali, Eid ul Fitr, Dashera, Guru Parv, Christmas. Now, let us take a look at our religious festivals in details. Diwali. It is the festival of lights. On this day, we decorate our houses with diyas, rangoli, and lights. We worship goddess Lakshmi on the day of Lakshmi Pujan. People distribute sweets and gifts to each other. Children enjoy crackers. Eid. Eid is an important religious festival celebrated by Muslims. It is celebrated after whole month of fasting, which is called Ramzan. On the last day of Ramzan, people come out to see the beautiful Eid moon. People go to the mosque and Eidgah to offer prayer or namaz. After the prayer, people embrace each other and say Eid Mubarak. Money and clothes are distributed among poor, and sweet dish called semai is prepared on this occasion. Christmas. It is a grand festival of Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December every year all over the world. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. On Christmas evening, people decorated Christmas tree at home. Small children wait for Santa Claus to give them gifts. We enjoy the Christmas cake. Guru Parv. It marks the birthday of the first Guru of Sikh. On this day, people go to the Gurudwara to prayer. People decorate their houses and colorful processions are taken out to various places. Gurudwara is decorated with flowers and lights. A community lunch langar is served there. Dashera. It is celebrated for 10 days. Navratri means 9 nights in Sanskrit, and the 10th day is Dashera. On this day, Lord Ram killed Ravan, the demon king of Lanka. Models of Ravan stuffed with crackers are burnt on this day. Now, we will learn about other celebrations. After religious and national festivals, some other celebrations like birthdays and weddings are also celebrations. Birthday. A person's birthday is a special day for his or her. We celebrate birthdays with our family and friends. Wedding. Wedding is also a special day. It is celebrated with family members and friends over several days. People sing, dance and eat lots of sweet and tasty food in wedding. So students, today you learned about many festivals. Now you can easily answer the questions related to this lesson, festivals and celebrations. Okay children, stay home, stay safe with your family. Bye and take care.